This is my livelihood. If this truck is not running, I'm not getting paid. I'm not making money. I'm not paying bills, and bills keep coming. Hi everybody, my name is Daniel. I wanted to start this channel by kind of giving you an idea of what to expect from this channel. I've had this Ram 6.7 for about 3 years. I bought it in 2016. I had a Ford 6.0 that died on me shortly after starting a new job and hauling stuff commercially on the road. And I found this Ram 6.7, and I've put just about 400,000 miles on it. And I wanted to share my experience with everybody, if it'd be a help, to kind of give you pointers, to show you what I've kind of gone through, what my experience has been. Most people don't put over 400,000 miles or anywhere close to that. I don't know many people who do. But if you are wanting to squeeze every penny out of the truck, out of any vehicle, I guess, then this channel is probably for you. I want to be a help and encouragement. I started this job really about 3 years, a few months ago, really knowing nothing about how to. I knew you got to change your oil, change your air filter, get your tires rotated. That's about it. I knew how to change a tire, but I knew nothing of really what to do, how to do it, what tools do you need, how are you supposed to check on things, what needs lubricated, what needs, just to see the wear and tear of the vehicle. And it's just been a very, very personal thing for me that this is my livelihood. If this truck is not running, I'm not getting paid. I'm not making money. I'm not paying bills, and bills keep coming. And so it's very, very important to me that I keep this truck on the road. And so this is just really trying to document my journey, how I've learned to work on my truck, to try to save money, to what things can you cut corners on, what things can't you, what do you have to do to keep this thing operating at the right performance, the right level. And so I just wanted to introduce myself. I'm 26 years old. I have no technical experience. The world of YouTube has been my teacher, and I'm so grateful for everybody online who's posting videos, who's got the courage to put themselves on video and dare to try to show something. Maybe they don't even do it 100% right, but they give you the basics and they help. This channel is not going to be about the flash, the lift kit, all of the major modifications that turn a truck into just an absolute monster truck. My goal has been and will be, at least till I pay off the truck. Got quite a bit left, not too much, but until it's paid off, that my number one focus is going to be maintaining. There's nothing flashy on this truck. I've got quite a bit of little dings and dents and little things. I try to get it through there's one car wash where I live where I can actually fit the truck through the car wash, and it actually goes through. So so I just wanted to take this time to kind of share my journey with everybody, and hope you guys can be encouraged by it. You can step out of your comfort zone and learn how to do things as well. Have a good day.